Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we have this awesome Volvo C70. It's a 2004 model, so we'll be doing a couple of things on it, but for now we'll just be working on the Android, trying to replace the stereo, with a new Android unit. So this is going to be a short video on how you can take off the radio. We'll finish the video later, so the installation will be on another video coming soon, but for today we'll just be taking off the radio, so stay tuned. And before we go on, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, now is the time. Please click that subscribe button down there, like this video, share it, and let's go. You have these two panels over here that you need to take off, and then so I'm going to show you. So you're gonna pull these two out. You're just gonna push it inside so it pops out, and then that's how you can be able to pull the radio out. So this is how you do it. And now with this two, you can be able to pull the radio out, and it can be hard, but you can play around with this molding over here, try and make it a bit loose so you can be able to get it out. But if yours is not as hard as some of them are, you can just easily pull it out. So let's pull it out and do it. So yeah, so there we go. We just pull it out, so it comes out. So this is that's the rear of the radio. So you have this is I think this goes to this is for the amplifier, and then you have the other harnesses for the speakers and for the GPS, and we have this one that's disconnected. I don't know what this one is for. Yeah, so we'll just focus with what we need for now. So what you need to do is just disconnect these two, 1, 2, and install them on the new unit, and just put it back and test it, and hopefully we did the right thing.